Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to show the damage number if you hit your enemy. So let's try in the actual gameplay. Let's hit the enemy and you will see the damage number. See, that's the enemy. As you can see, there are some number in your enemy if you hit them. So it show the damage hitbox of your weapon. Let's try one more time. It will show the number. Okay, and how you can do it, let's try this setting. First, click the setting at the top, on the top of your screen. Click the basic, scroll down, and here it is, damage number. So you can turn it on or off, and also you can adjust transparency. The less transparency, the less you can see. The more transparency until 100, the more you can see the number. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.